Hello guys, this is GFB from GFB Studios. Today we are going to be building a rig, my special rig that I use in shooting both vertical and horizontal shots. So we'll be building this today. This has Z8 camera, Pocket 3 and LCD screen, which are all powered by the Power Extra power bank. This permits me to do videos for up to 24 hours without needing to swap any batteries. So we are going to go through a step-by-step process how I build this. Let's go. We will be starting with the camera body itself, the Z8, and I'll be mounting, tilter cage. This is the cage for the Nikon Z8, for Z8 from tilter, and this will help me mount additional accessories on the sides. So it comes with this little needle and pop this out. It's a little bit tricky, so it fits right in. All you have to do is, this comes with the cage, so if you do not have this, you can use a that's in. So you have this. It's a great magnet there, so you don't lose it. So I'm going to mount the 24x70 lens on it. So step one done. Second step. So putting the top handle. So before I put that in, so this is some tilter still. Pro gear with each, so it's nice. It has multiple, you can attach multiple things on it. So I'm going to be putting my screen on it, and should we get to go? So the build up is coming up. Next is going to be the side handle. So I'm going to be using this. It's my right hand grip. I have access to all my buttons. And this is going to go on the side. So I could put this up at the top, but I'm going to put it at the bottom. So I'm going to have my Osmo Pocket 3 at the top. So this is also from tilter. And as you can see at the bottom, you have this little Allen key to make sure everything is tight properly. You don't want it to snap in the middle of the shot. So it's good. Step one is done. So this is also from tilter. So with this, I'm going to be putting my Osmo 3 pocket. So I don't actually need this battery because I'm going to be attaching my battery, but the reason why I'm putting this, you're going to see later. So I have clean access to the Type-C USB, which is going to go to the battery. So same mechanism from tilter. So it's fastened in. And so now to attach this to the camera, I'm going to use this other tool from tilter still. So a lot of stuff coming from tilter. Well, this video isn't sponsored by tilter, so, but I found the gear useful. Accessories, they have a lot of accessories on their website, and you could go there and get some stuff for yourself. So I'm going to try using this to secure somewhere. Alright. This should be somewhere. Okay, it's coming up. So I'm using this LCD screen from Newer. And this little guy, data. So depending on where you want to mount your screen, so you could have it right here at the top, like this. Right. So setup is coming up. Now, this is our holder from Small Rig for the battery. So this is the V mount. And going to be putting this at the bottom. So for now, take this out. Because I want to do some work at the bottom. So this is always done before the shoot, so I don't go to the client site and doing all this. It's too much. So I get my gear set up. Alright. This is where our camera is going to stand. So our battery, sorry. So you can adjust this if you want to put it right on the screen. If you want to move it back a little bit, I would like to get some gap. So fasten it right there. Close this. Make sure everything's tight. So next thing, let's put it on the side. So I'm gonna put this. So this is a Z-tap distributor. So the battery has just one Z-tap. This is gonna make me distribute that into 4. And this is all just set up. And it's gonna go right there. Put it out. That's good. So audio cable is good. And let me. So this has. Just gonna put this right there. So a bit. Oh, just use that. It's a universal tool. Goes in there. So that's good to go. So audio is good. That's good. So this is for powering the camera. Very good detach. Wait, the dummy battery from Newer. So pop that open. Goes in there. So I'm gonna need USB because this has the tap and USB port. So remember, so it's gonna go right there. So it's good to go. This is good to go. Next thing, we have to touch on the screen. And this is our data. So I'll make sure I have all my cables ready to connect to the battery, so everything's out there. And find out HDMI. This is HDMI transmitter. So you can pass it in multiple ways. See, there you have it. There's some cable management. Or you could buy a shorter cable. This is a little bit long. So you can just put it all together. Like this. Sure that's in. So as you can see, camera is getting ready. All we have to do is to mount to a battery. This is from Power Extra. It goes 5 volts to 2.1 amp. So it's quite easy. That's it. So what we do now is and give everybody some power. So first things first, let's plug these guys to our distributor. This one, that's two. So you can still mount 2 additional items at the bottom. And our distributor goes right in there. You can see the light. And this is for Osmo Pocket 3. So turn on the camera. Oops. Guys, move your covers every time. And put that on. So right now, everything is powered. Everything is powered by this giant battery pack. So you can shoot your vertical or your horizontal pictures at the same time. So turn this on. So it's indicating battery level, so it's charging the battery at the same time. So there we go. So we're ready to shoot the entire day. This can shoot for up to 24 hours. At least I've tested it. So, and it still has some juice in it. So you can shoot the entire event, entire program, or whatever you have. And you can attach some support. If it's going to weigh on your shoulders, of course, for entire day of shooting, it's going to be heavy. So you can have your support attached to this 2 brackets there, and it goes over your neck. And you'll be good to go. So this is our kit.